What up, YouTube's Compile PSN here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing of, I believe, my new headphones I got, and I'm going to be doing this a lot more unboxing stuff because, I don't know, it sounds fun to do it. So, let's go ahead and get this open. Let me get my scissors. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Okay. Almost done, guys. Okay. And here we go. Just gotta open this. There we go. And I guess they come with some packaging. Let's go away. And here you go. It's the COBYs. That's pretty sick. I got a 2-in-1 on Amazon. It's pretty cheap. The total of it was $18.11. Get this out. Okay, let's get it away. Yeah, and there he goes. Packaging off. They look pretty cool. I like them. Deep bass stereo headphones plus earphones. All this stuff, and yeah, they fold up and everything, so that was pretty cool. So there you go, guys. There's my first unboxing of whatever I'm going to be unboxing, and this is the COBY deep bass stereo headphones with the earphones too, as well, with the case. And yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a like, comment, and please subscribe. I need some more views and stuff. That will really mean a lot. So, guys, that's it. Peace. I'm out.